One of the great things about our PRISM system is how intuitive it is, and it was really designed that way. These guys have had limited training on a PRISM system. They probably touched it once before. They came out here today, they set it up in a matter of minutes. I think the intuitive design along with the neat pack out make it really simple for an operator to deploy it even without any training. What you're looking at here is our StreamCaster PRISM. It's an integrated radio and antenna system. It combines our StreamCaster SC4400E Radios along with sectorized MIMO antennas to provide long-range 360-degree coverage. It's also much quicker and easier to set up than a traditional tracking system. There's no moving parts. There's less opportunities for failure with a PRISM system. Also, with the modularity in a PRISM system, you can deploy it as a single sector configuration if you only need 90 degrees of coverage pointing out in a certain direction, or you can put up multiple sectors to get that full 360-degree coverage for your multiple assets. There's a number of applications for a PRISM system. One of them that we're showing today is as a ground control station for UAVs or aircraft. It can also serve in multi-asset networks where you have aircraft in the air, you have unmanned air vehicles, you have ground systems that could be manned vehicles or unmanned ground systems. And you can also have dismounts as well. Another application for a PRISM system is for event security to create a tactical bubble of coverage for multiple assets around a specific event.